So you guys, I did one eye off camera. This is what we looking like so far. Yo, okay then. So I'm gonna do the other eye on camera because it looks pretty full. It looks full enough to me. So yeah, I'm about to do the other eye on camera. Period. Hit me up for your lashes. I'm in the A70. Hit me up for your lashes. Like, look at that, girl. And I'm on a line. Period. So first, I use some mascara. I want to put my mascara on because this is my guide. It's going to help me know where to put the lashes. And as y'all can see, I didn't go too far down, like right up in here, because we don't need nothing down up in there, you know. But I may put another one right here just to make it a little bit more fuller. I'll tell you about this glue. It is strong, y'all. It smells strong. It does smell strong. So all right, y'all, since the glue does dry, I just take this, pour some glue on there, a good amount, and then I'm going to take my tweezers, pull the lash up, and then I fix it like this, because this is how I'm going to put it on, like this. This is gonna focus, probably because I'm too far up. Yeah, so, and then we just dip it in. We already got our mascara on, and then I like to start, well, I started at the end, and then I'm using the big mirror, the one that zoomed in. So I start at the end, I hope y'all can see, and just place it on the lash line. So I showed you guys what they look like from far back, and this is what they look like, I mean from up close, and this is what they look like from far back. Yes, so I'm trying to think, do I want to do my makeup today or tomorrow? It is only 3:09. So I think it's not that bad, you know. But yeah, I'll be back with the finished face, okay? Y'all, I never came back with a beat face. Today is July the 3rd. And I doubt I do it tomorrow. So let me just go ahead and close this video out. It's been like 2-3 days because I'm ready to take these off. They're still holding up. The glue has dried and they still look good, but I'm ready to take them off. So Yep. I hope y'all enjoyed it though. And I will see y'all in my next video.